The most gracious, the most merciful dear researchers in universities and research institutes, today I am pleased to present to you in this video a simplified explanation of using open source models for artificial intelligence in an easy way via the GLHF.Chat platform and the Hugga-ing Face platform. And we will explain the new model of Meta AI, which is Llama. The model of the Chinese company Alibaba, qwen 2.5. Let's get started. We open the Modo page and choose and write in the Modo page Hugga-ing Face. And hide from the fashion GLHF chat page. What do we do to run any open model? We go to the Hugga-ing Face. It is in all the existing models, so we will apply the model to the model of the company, which is Llama Siri. What do we do? I will come to this model and write here Llama. Here they bring. Here he asks me, he says, do you want to use this model? I tell him yes, well I will use it with a feature called Llam, here I take it. And I work, choose the model, make a copy, here is a copy and go back again in. GLHF, which is the good lab half fan, and copy it here. Of course I did it before. He will tell me this, do you want to do it? Okay, the second model is, we tell him we will get out of this and tell him we want the model of the model, which is the qwen. And this is model 2.5. He will tell him, do you want this model? He will tell him yes, I will take it and copy it here. Make a copy and copy it in HLFS, then we copy it in GLHF.Chat. And he is loading it for him and his work tells me here your assistant is always on. This means that the model is ready. We want to use first the first model, which is the Llama model. We will bring it close, we will tell it. We will try it in writing articles. So I tell it write me a scientific article. I tell it like this. It is just an experiment to see if the model is working or not. The model is working. It works. It works. It works. The good one of. And then finally it writes it to be for the system, which is the Americans. We tried this model. This model saves me instead of downloading the open model, which is passing. A large number consumes a large part of the hard disk, so I use it this way. Okay, let's try the second model. It is also called passion. Which is the qwen. This qwen model is originally also used to write articles, but it specializes, as you can see, in programming. What does it specialize in programming and writing codes? So we will try it again like this. It depends on logical thinking, so I will ask it a traditional question. We always ask it for the test models, whether it thinks or not. So we will try it. In the model, here I will write. I tell it yes, what is this? I try the model, so I tell it a traditional question, saying what is the number of the R in the word strawberry. What will he see? He says exactly what? A traditional question that we always ask him in the models that are based on thinking. Now, see, this depends on thinking. What does he write? He tells me to write the first word, strawberry, and he holds each letter and tells me, this one doesn't have an R, the name doesn't have an R, and the one that doesn't have an R, and the R here is in the third. The third letter is there and then one, and then after that the Amish is there and so on, and then LR is there twice, so he says, ISWNC. Definitely strawberry, I think it's correct. How many are they? 2, where is strawberry? Here is an R and 2 RS, 3. So the number of letters is 3, okay, I'm trying to test it in another thing, how can he make a simple application for me? And we'll try it together. I'll also tell him to make me a calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All of them are for ease of use in the HTML environment. He makes me the programming codes for the calculator, so we try it like this, in short. I make programming codes, we copy them, and I'll go down here and make. We open a simple text file. and record and put in it the codes that we made. That's it, we'll copy it. And we go back here in the first environment. This is a mess around us here, a file. Here is a file. I will open a new file, folder. I will open a text file in it. I will put the codes in the format, for example, or I will write the star on it. .html and we will see the joke, we will get out. This is the program that was made. We will see if it is correct or if I make a beautiful machine like you see. We will try it like this, in a simple thing, 9 in. We say equal what I know 45 for example 12 divided by 6 equals. On 6 equals to this means it was. A simple idea about using open models for artificial intelligence in the GLHF environment, which is good luck, have fun. Chat, we hope everyone benefits. With my sincere regards, Professor Dr. Kamlan Nagni.